Hello and welcome back to Think Code and More. So today what I'm going to be showing you guys is what inheritance is and how to write it in Python. So yeah, let's get into it. As you can see here, we have our project from yesterday, so you can check out that video. And here, let's first let me show you this. This is how you make a subclass or a child class, which is basically what inheritance is. So let's call this, from the person we have, let's just say there's a student, or there are students from person. So we're inheriting from person. And then we can just write pass. And this is just when you don't want to add any other properties or like methods in the class. But if you do, then you can do this. You can now create an object. Let's just call it X. Let's use our student, and let's call him or her think, could, and then we have and more. And the thing we would have to actually do here is, instead of having this, we would actually have to change that a tiny bit. So let's actually make this, or delete that, age as 12 again, think code, and more. We've made an object with this subclass, and since the subclass inherits this, it has all the functions in here. So now what we can do is do print, and print, and let's actually do x dot my function. As you can see, since this is an inherited class, we get the my function, and we can just call that. And since x has its own value because it's an object, let's see what happens. Hello, my name is Neve. Hello, my name is Think Code and More. So yeah, that's the basics of it. So yeah, you can add your own properties inside it. Instead of just using pass, you can add other stuff inside it with its definition and the init function. But here is just a simple way to explain how inheritance works. And just to say it again, you're basically making a class that is a child of its superior class over here. Person, the class person, or people, some people can be students. That's how we're writing it here. And all we did here was just create an object of it using student. And we're passing everything from here to here. So yeah, that's basically it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. So yeah, if you guys have any other ideas or stuff like that, leave it in the comments. And bye.